Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is January the 17th on a Wednesday, and taking a quick look at the SPY. I mentioned this key level yesterday, two converging moving averages at the 10 and the 20. Well, we are gapping below that slightly, about a point below that level. So an area you would like to see it bounce back up and defend if you're bullish and you think we're going to go to all-time highs. But let's take a look at some setups today, and just keep in the back of your mind, always keep the backdrop of the overall market in the back of your mind, when you're making these trades. I'm pretty light right now for sure. But let's take a look. First on the list is CBAY. This is a biotech and beautiful little setup here. You can see it's defending this 20-period moving average. It's done it several times now. And look for a break above maybe that 2470 level. Just put your price alert in there and see if it could come fast and furious when you get a setup like this. It's kind of on a launching pad. Next one is kind of a bigger price stock, CHUM. Okay, this is a reinsurance carrier, and looking at a nice little cup and handle here, kind of like that AMD looked yesterday that I called out in my video. Look for a break above 229.50 in that CHUM, maybe a little head start unless you want to wait for it to clear that level. I like to get a little head start sometimes. Let's see, went over that one. CHUM, a couple on the from yesterday, FUSN. Look for maybe a continuation in that. One I highlighted in a video yesterday was also SMPL. Could see a continuation in that as well. And one other kind of spec play, let's take a look at AXGN. Okay, this is a low float at only 32 million in the float, but I like this move and bounced and defended that 10-period moving average yesterday. But maybe set your price alert around 8:30 in that one. All right, guys, keep it tight out there. That's it for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great one. Bye-bye.